This video will show you how to replace the rear liftgate lift support on a Toyota Matrix. You'll have two of these, one along each side of the vehicle, and the process will be the same. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make sure your liftgate is properly supported. Let's go ahead and start removing this support. To remove either side of this, it's pretty much the same thing. It's going to have a metal locking tab. This one's a little hard to see. I'm just making my way inside this area. I'm using a small pocket screwdriver. You can also use a pick. Gently pull out on that tab. You don't need to fully remove it, and this should slide out of place. Now that I have that dislodged, let's make our way all the way down to the bottom. The process will be the same here. You have that same metal tab, just make your way under, gently pry, and separate it. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we're going to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting areas. We need to confirm that nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged. Otherwise, it will need to be serviced. Alright, so now it's time to install that brand new liftgate lift support. We're starting down at the body of the vehicle. We'll make sure we have this on the proper orientation and slide it into position. Once you have it in there, attempt to remove it. It should not slide out of place. We'll continue on up at the liftgate next. Up in this area, we need to make sure this is properly aligned. We'll pivot it as necessary, slide it into position here as well. An audible click, a light tug. Okay friend, we finished the installation on one side of the vehicle. Go over to the other side of the vehicle and repeat this exact same process. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.